The last of them is getting ready in that starting block. Ready, set and go! Light boats quick to pick up the speed. And who was the quickest? And it seems that Nan Wang from China was the first to get off the starting lane. Is she going to keep that position? Maybe, just maybe, but she has to guard herself, as Ostrowska from Poland and Brett from New Zealand are just after her. First three of them are going to qualify to Final A. And it seems that China has won that first place, and then Poland second. The semi-final was just a tiny bit slower than the second one, than the first.